What's up, Flowstar Fam? I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Dino Roll. So what you're going to want to know for this one is how to do the buzz saw, and then you're also going to need to be able to reach under and catch it behind you. So you're going to start with this buzz saw, and then I'm starting with my right hand on the top and my left hand on bottom when I'm starting it. That way when my left hand comes up, I could use that to toss it over my back. Just like that. And then as it's coming down, you'll feel it coming down your back. When it's coming down, you'll just reach under and you'll grab it right here, and then you could pull it back up, back into the reverse vertical 8. A good way to drill this trick would just be doing exactly that, throwing it over your back, catching it underneath, and then going right back into the buzz saw, because you could just loop it until you feel comfortable with it. This trick is a little challenging, so if you don't get it right away, don't get discouraged. Just keep drilling it and you will get it in time. It's a fun thing you can just throw into your flow. It makes it look really cool, especially when you pull it out. You could go into so many other tricks from right there. You go into a glide, you could pull it up behind the back and do something else, maybe even just reverse the direction you're going, do it the other way. But if this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a future video.